What's up, good individual? Today's video is on top 5 best dash camera on Aliexpress. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular use, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on the best dash camera on Aliexpress. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comments section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. We can start things off with OBEPEAK D91 12 inches dash camera. With its 12-inch panoramic streaming IPS touchscreen, in the process of driving, you can not only see the complete backroad 3-car road conditions, but also include more road scenery. The front camera captures full high-definition video. Wide dynamic range allows the camera to perform optically in any lighting situation by adjusting the exposure to create balanced images and footage. With its front and rear camera, 2 channels records simultaneously. They could be running in the background, even extinguish the screen, or moving on the GPS navigation. It can be operated between -50 degrees Celsius and +80 degrees Celsius, and it has been undergone rigorous testing. It has high-definition reversing assistance. With its high-definition reversing assistance, smart rear-view angle switch between driving and parking can be done. You could also see all further vehicles and objects behind you while real-time driving. It will lower the rear-view angle automatically to give a closer backup image when parking. You can download your favorite GPS to internal memory with the additional GPS antenna. This DVR provides the best experience no matter the destination. Thanks to 4G SIM card and built-in Wi-Fi, no matter where you're driving, you will enjoy the fun of internet surfing, making it possible for online navigation, music, movie, etc. You can use the backlight and not occupy the cigarette lighter interface. So, OBEPEAK DVR can realize 24 hours parking monitoring function. Up next, we have AZDOME GS63H 4K dash camera in our list. It will let you experience next-level recording with 4K ultra-high-definition videos as 2880 by 2160 pixels. It is backed by a Novac NT96660 processor and a best-in-class OV4689 ultra-low light capture, 4-megapixel complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor. Its ultra-wide-angle lens allows 170-degree field of view that easily covers 4 lanes and captures distortion-free images. Its focal length 1.8 wide aperture allows superior images, be it day or night. Its proprietary focal length technology that is facilitated by 6 glass wide-angle lens helps in capturing smaller details like number plates with more accuracy even in low light. It has built-in G sensor that activates upon and records videos of up to 1 minute. It has 3-axis impact G sensor data that ensures precise emergency recording of when and where the impact occurred and dockets the file tray further investigation. This dash camera comes with a 360-degree rotating suction mount with silicone design and ensures hassle-free installation and allows all-round video capturing in real time, both on the left and the right side. It can shoot every video in 4K with precision, even under low-light conditions. With its 250 mAh Li-ion battery, it allows up to about 24 hours of parking monitoring. Remember that the battery is only for parking captures. Connect the camera to an external power source when in use. The very next dash camera, we have OBEPEAK H6 12 inches 4K dash camera with 7 layers of high-quality glass lenses, focal length 1.8 aperture, and Sony IMX415 sensors. It processes frames to deliver images with better clarity and vividness. With a 12-inch large screen, it provides real-time viewing of ultra-high-definition giant screen images. It uses strong light suppression and analog high definition to provide very clear and soft images for drivers at night. It will capture more details whether at night or during the day. Its front camera adopted Sony Starvis IMX415, which captures native 4K ultra-high-definition 3840 by 2160 at 30 frames per second footage with stunning details than ever. License plates and distance that are unreadable in 1080 pixel or other resolutions are very crisp 4K in video. The app supports both iOS and Android systems, allows you to view and download high-definition videos in real time through the dash camera Wi-Fi. It also locks emergency videos to the event file to prevent overwrite. It monitors and displays real-time trip data, including time, speed, and coordinates. With it, you can track the exact location of an accident if one should occur. You can keep monitoring when you are away. It has built-in G sensor that can detect sudden shakes or collision while your car is stationary, and it will automatically start recording to capture any potential incidents. If an emergency video is recorded, the dash cam will also notify you through voice alert once it's turned back on. Furthermore, we have 2,160 pixel 4K GPS dash camera in our list. Based on powerful OBEPEAK 96663 CPU, the dual lens can simultaneously capture front and inside, and 1080 pixel 30 pixel, and 1080 pixel 30 pixel, or 720 pixels 30 pixel, and 720 pixels 30 pixel. You can utilize the front camera only to record front at 4K 2160 pixel 24 pixels, 1440 pixel 30 pixel, 1000 pixel 60 pixel, 1000 pixel 30 pixel, 720 pixels 60 pixel, or 720 pixels 30 pixel. Both cameras are equipped with Sony IMX323 image sensor, focal length 1.8 aperture, and 6 glass lens, and they greatly enhance the video quality and capture sharp footage in low light conditions. The signature low-profile design allows the dash camera to be a well-hidden witness to the road ahead. And both the cameras can be rotated 180 degrees forward and backward, 50 degrees left and right. If you download the Road Camera app and connect the D30H dash camera via Wi-Fi, you'll be able to view real-time footage or videos, download videos to your phone, easily share your trip with friends. You will also get instant control of your dash camera setting. Its built-in GPS accurately logs your vehicle's location, speed, latitude, longitude and route, and can be viewed on Google Map by Roadcam app or GPS Play computer. It has super night vision, Sony IMX323 image sensor 1 by 2.9 inch light sensitive components, focal length 1.8 aperture, and 6 glass lens, which can capture clear videos and photos even in low light conditions. It supports time-lapse recording function, which can keep recording with extremely low power consumption while engine off. But you would need to purchase hardware kit separately. We can finish it up with 70 My GPS Dash Camera. Not only that, it supports time-lapse recording, which makes it possible to compress 30 minutes of footage into 1 minute, enabling long-period continuous recording that takes up 1/30 the storage space as in the regular recording. It can provide outstanding image quality with high resolution of 2592 by 1944, capturing license plates, road signs, and other critical details on the road. It is compatible with the RC06 rear camera. It can achieve dual-channel recording, providing all-round protection so you can drive with peace of mind. The front camera maintains up to 1944 pixel resolution, and the rear camera records 1080 pixel in dual-channel mode. It is equipped with Sony IMX335 image sensor, making it an extraordinary camera for recording. It has 3-dimensional digital noise reduction and wide dynamic range that significantly improve image clarity by reducing noise and adjusting exposure balance when recording in low light or high contrast environments. Its focal length 1.8 large aperture pulls in more light to brighten up dark scenes. With its built-in GPS, it monitors and displays real-time trip data, including time, speed, and coordinates. It tracks the exact location of an accident if one should occur, crucial for roadside assistance and insurance claims. You can keep monitoring when you are away. The built-in G sensor can detect sudden shakes on collisions while your car is stationary and will automatically start recording to capture any potential incidents. If an emergency video is recorded, the dash camera will notify you through voice alert once it's turned back on. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.